Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to another video of Let's Fry Everything. And for this video guys, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way on how to make soft-boiled eggs using air fryer. Okay, I know guys that the term soft-boiled is not appropriate because we're not boiling eggs, we are air frying it. So it's our version of, let's just call this soft air boiled eggs. So okay guys, without any more further ado, let's proceed. So okay guys, this is really very easy. So just put your eggs on the air fryer basket. Okay, set the temperature to 180 degrees Celsius and set our timer to 7 minutes. And just press start. So all we need to do now is wait. Alright, it's already done guys. Let's check out our egg. Okay. Let's just cool it off. Okay guys, now let's check out the condition of our egg. Our soft air boiled egg. We call this here in the Philippines as Malasadong Itlog. So Itlog is egg. So let's check out our Malasadong Itlog. Alright, there you have it guys. Perfectly cooked, soft, air-boiled eggs. So you can eat this on its own, or you can pair it with your noodle soup, your ramen, and whatever you might like. So okay guys, once again, thank you for watching my channel. This is our quick and short let's air fry everything video episode on how to make soft boiled eggs using our air fryer. And guys, if you find this video helpful, kindly share this and click the like button, and if you're not yet my subscriber, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. Okay guys, stay home, stay safe, and always be healthy, and see you on my next video. God bless. Let's eat.